Or if we were trying to approach this from the mind of an absolute beginner, or a beginner, so you know this is intermediate stuff, they'll think, oh well, he was talking about halves, so we'll put the body on a half there like that, and we'll have his leg there, and we'll have his foot in the air stepping up like that, and we'll have the ball hair like this, and this arm will be hair like this. Okay, so it'll be like that. Okay, look at how it all very samey. Look at this bullshit straight arc coming here like this, and look at how this arm hair and this foot hair kind of move together at the same time. Okay, gutter trash, garbage. We don't want that. Okay, no, right? So what we want to do is we want to think about, okay, well, what happens when we start to take a step? Okay, I'm thinking purely from the stepping mechanism. Okay, he's gonna be lifting his foot like this.
So, are you gonna join the library?
Okay, he's gonna be lifting his foot like this. So I'm thinking this foot is gonna pretty much stay as this arm. Okay, it's coming down here. This arm's gonna be going around here like that. Okay, so this is gonna be going like that. So now I also want to think, remember I told you about arcs. Okay, so all of the people in the anime forums who like to say, learn your drawing first, man, and the animation will come later. Well, how are you going to work out your arcs? Okay, your drawing your anime is not going to help you arc your animation, sunshine. This thing has to come up and around. Okay, you know, it'll be a much nicer. So this foot is staying on the floor here, so this arc is going to be up here like this. Okay, his hand is going to be making its turn here like this. Now I'm going to think about having this sausage body kind of on the half there. So the sausage body is on the half, but I worked out the dynamics of the actual character. So if we just take a look at that, now take a look. Okay, now take a look at what the upper arm and this leg are doing. Okay, you see how much and how much more, like this arc is swinging this way, this arc. Let's just analyze this arcing going on between this arm and this upper ball here. Okay, it's a science, man. It is a skill. Okay, arcing, one of the fundamental laws of animation. Okay, you cannot avoid it if you want good stuff. Right, now this foot is gonna, it's not up in the air. We're not doing it at a passing position. I've put it into a sort of toe contact. Okay, because it's not the pass position. It doesn't have to be that linear in the way we do things. So we think about this shape and this shape and this shape coming in here. So that's that dynamic of that worked out. Okay, that's the dynamic of that worked out. But I don't want to do that. Okay, why I want to do that. What I want to do, that I want to do that with the arms, but I'm not going to plonk my body in the middle, because that's ignoramus. Okay, 2D puppet mentality. You're not a puppet, you're a human being. You're an animator. Okay, you animate puppets, don't think like a puppet. Okay, I'm gonna make you a real animator. I'm gonna make you know how to do the real things. Okay, I'm gonna make you understand that there's anatomy, there's distribution of weight. Okay, so now watch. And then we want a frame with him while he's down. So I'm gonna maybe think about this arc of this foot here like this. So this is probably gonna be maybe coming about here, changing over. So he's going to be changing over into here. He's going to be jumping down. And then this one is going to be coming down. I want him kind of coming down like that. You want to really think about that. So he's up in the air and he's coming down. So we want to think about this foot. And so maybe this foot's going to be doing this. And this foot's going to be doing this. Okay. And then I want to think about this ball. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna see if I can do something crazy with this arc here. I'm gonna think about having it coming here. You know what? Because what I like about this, okay, rather than just having this ball arc, okay, rather than just having this ball arc up, I'm gonna throw in an extra little kind of see, look how his hand is under the ball, okay, but I want to reverse that hand to really emphasize that he's really rearing up to throw. So I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna push this arc and bring it down, okay. So this is really pushing the arc here, okay. So like I'm gonna have his hand on top of the ball here, okay. I'm gonna think about doing something like this, and I'm gonna delay this hand like this. Notice how I'm thinking about the harmony between the hands and the legs when I'm doing this pose, because the rest of this stuff is like, you know, it's just this sausage shape like this. So I'm gonna think about that. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we've got this. So we've got something like this, okay, something like this, and the hand is going to be coming something like this, and around here something like this, okay. So I'm going to be thinking about that, but what I am going to probably want to do is stretch this leg out a little bit, as if it's almost coming down to land. We want to really feel that momentum of that almost coming down to land. And the reason why I wanted to have another key into place there is because of this extra little action in the hand, okay, this extra arc on the hand. See, now I'm going beyond the key here, the key between here, the extreme between here and here, and there and there, and the one I'm putting in the middle, there's nothing going in the middle there. I'm being bold here, and I'm doing something different with the arm. I'm pushing it to really make that action go into there like that. Have a look at that now. You can really see that extra arc in the, you see how we've made that ball so much interesting before he throws it. Zoom. Zoom. Even this, we're talking primary and secondary action, right? But even this ball, even this, okay, even just adding that little kind of extra little circle in his arm when he goes to throw that ball, even that's a secondary action, okay? I didn't have to do that. I could have just gone linearly between this ball and this ball, this one and this one and this one, this one and this one, okay? But I didn't. I went down and up, okay, to give him just that extra little feel. So you will have seen the whole process of how we got to animate this. So you've watched me animate this from scratch. No simple talking through. You've literally watched me step by step, as if you're over my shoulder, picking my brain, understanding what, why, when, and how I'm doing everything. And that is the power of AMB Animation, real animator training.
So, AMB is the greatest archive anyone could ever ask for.
You know, of all the books I've read, of all the other online tutorials I've seen, this was the missing key.
Every video is like packed with this information that I would never be able to get anywhere else. So I would say this is the greatest resource for learning animation.
For me, AMB Animation Library is hands down the best animation learning resource that I've seen. I've tried all the tutorials, I've gotten all the books. I've never been able to really grow until I found AMB.
And it's incredible. I've only just begun it, but like I definitely am getting more from that than I did from my 1.5 years of college.
I've noticed definitely that my animation has improved a lot, and it's more alive than ever.